Okay, so the last group we're going to be looking at are the dashboard reports, and we can get those by just going over to report. We've got dashboards, and we've got first of all burn down. Shows us our remaining work here between the cumulative work and the cumulative actual work and the remaining cumulative work. So pretty interesting in that. All right, so go back into report, go back to dashboards, and I will do a cost overview. Very interesting. All right. Go back in there again, and we've got our project overview. How much we've complete so far, and everything else in here, start and finish on the different tasks that are late. Kind of an overview or overlap of maybe one of the other reports that we did earlier, but still, there you go. All right, and then we'll go back in there again. Upcoming tasks. I don't think we have anything there. Because what we have right now, the date on the project is set for, we're pretty much at the end of the project now, date-wise. So there's no more upcoming tasks because there's nothing ahead of the current date that we have there. So that's not going to show us too much there. Oop, I'll go back in there again. And we've got the work overview. And that's interesting too. Again, these are the kind of reports that are great to print out or to send to somebody that is just interested in getting kind of up to date information about the project and so forth. So it's good to see. All right, well, I appreciate you watching the video. Take care.